Hey boys and girls, I'm going to read you your coins checkpoints. Question 1 says, what is the total amount? Would that be 10 cents, 37 cents, 41 cents, or 47 cents? Question 2, what is the total amount? Is that 82 cents, 85 cents, 95 cents, or 99 cents? Question 3, Erica wants to count her 5 coins. She wants to start with the coin of greatest value. Which coin should she start with? A dime, a nickel, a quarter, or a $half? Question 4, Will has these coins. How much money does he have? $1, 95 cents, 90 cents, or 85 cents? Question 5, what is the total amount? 36 cents, 71 cents, 35 cents, or 40 cents? Question 6, what is the total amount? 76 cents, 96 cents, 66 cents, or 86 cents? Question 7, Brendan wants to count his 5 coins. He wants to start with the coin of greatest value. What is the name of the coin he should start with? A quarter, a $half, a dime, or a nickel? Question 8. Julia has these coins. How much money does she have? 75 cents, 85 cents, 95 cents, or a dollar? Question 9. Choose a correct symbol that goes in the circle. You'll have to read your answer choices on your own here. And question 10, count on to find the total. 67 cents, 47 cents, 42 cents, or 38 cents. Once you finish your quiz, you'll submit.